Yo, 2 weeks ago, we received word that the Flipper One might be canceled due to rising RAM prices. Well, plans have quickly changed and we even have access to a live demo. Let's check it out. Here we are live. This is literally the Flipper One and we can use our mouse to operate the device. So we'll hold for 1 second. Oh, that's longer. Here we go. And then we can play around with it. So we do have our buttons confirmed here. We can click start, see what router is about. We even have logs. This is really cool. Typical Flipper animations. Anything in the files? Oh my gosh, I thought that said Epstein. It says Einstein. Okay, back. I guess back. Do the back buttons work? Yeah, so it keeps going back to where we are. So how do I change modes? Oh, here we go. Exit. I guess that's it, huh? Menu, files. Interesting. Close. Go down, puts up the files. And if we power it off, work. Reboot. And now let's look at desktop computer. I'm assuming this will allow us to hook up a USB-C, or I think there was an HDMI on here as well. Oh, and there's a mic. That's pretty dope. TV media box. Let's see what this is. This is pretty cool, man. 2 weeks ago, it was rumored to be canceled due to rising RAM prices, and here we are controlling the Flipper One. What does TV do? No screen detected. Connect. Yo, yeah, this is pretty cool. Menu. Anything else to see? There's one more thing. So let's hold to reboot again. Back. Press it once. Click reboot. And now let's look at minimal system. Can't click anything. Boot from SD card. We don't have an SD card. And run. It would just run it. Yeah, this is the Flipper One. Yeah, so that was pretty cool, and I know you want to try that out for it yourself, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But first, let's check out a video of it using Wayland and some other news they've shared too. They even have a Twitter page that we'll look at afterwards. So let's check this out. So this video is saying that there are some visual artifacts. They're really small, but this is the Flipper One's desktop mode.
Easily catch.
Here, let me actually turn off the audio, and here we go. Yep, there's our Flipper One, and here we are in the desktop mode. It looks actually really cool. Run Linux, run Debian. And he'll zoom in on artifact. It's really small. It's right near this image here, as you can see there. And there's another one, a few seconds. Here it goes. You see that little dash right here. So we've got to interact with a live demo of the device. We saw what it looks like in desktop mode, but that's not all. A few days ago, they released a few compatible boards and said that if we get one, we could start developing using one of those chips. And it looks like there are 5 options to choose from, including the Banana Pi. There's also the Nano Pi and some Luck Fox variants too. And we have a Flipper One repository that details all about the device. Now we see that it uses one of my favorite chips, the RP2350, which is used for power management, rendering graphics, button control, the touchpad, the LEDs, and it helps with booting the main CPU. And of course, our main processor that runs Linux is our Rockchip RK3576, which is connected to the USB, the HDMI, the M2, the Wi-Fi, the Ethernet, and the audio. Well, the Flipper One is definitely not canceled. But with the thought of it being released at $1,000, based on what we reviewed today, what do you think is the appropriate price? Let me know in the comments below. And now let me show you how to run the live demo yourself. So I have this GitHub link in the description below, including everything else we've talked about as well. But if we scroll down, it shows you how to run the GUI demo that we looked at earlier. And it seems there are two ways. You can either download, this is probably an app, or you can do what I did, which was to just click on the link and it will open right up. It does work on the phone and on your computer. Well, that's it, folks. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated on the latest Flipper One news. I'm Jay Blanked. Thanks for watching. Peace.